Hello cyclists, today is Tuesday, March 22nd. Started a bike ride at 6 minutes after 12. Had a rain delay earlier this morning around sunrise. We got about 2 inches of rain, so it took a little while for the streets to dry off and temperature to warm up. First I had put on leg warmers, but I took them off. Also, I changed jackets to a lighter jacket. I'm riding the Cervella. Caledonia. Splashing some water on my leg. It's cold. Caledonia bike. Weather 67 degrees. Mostly cloudy. Winds out of the north at 7 miles an hour. I'm wearing a long sleeve thermal jersey. Underneath my wind jacket. Maybe a little too much, but I already had it on, so I didn't want to change that too. Today's route, I'm going to go south through Atascocita, through Walden, and I'm going to go across Lake Houston on FM 1960, but I'm not going to go on Fair Lake Lane because there's still got the pavement all ground up, so I'm just going to keep going over to FM 2100. Past that, and then we're going to take some side streets over to FM 2100 north, then take Smith Road west, and then East Lake Houston Parkway back to FM 1960, and then back over the lake, back to Kingwood. Probably 30 miles is a guess. Still on my quest for 650 miles this month. Riding east from Atascocita Shores Drive on FM 1960 in a construction area. We'll see how muddy it is up here. There's a 20-foot section of dirt or mud. It wasn't too bad. I'll probably have to wipe the Cervella off when I get home from mud splatters. North wind is pretty stiff. So far I haven't done too much to the north. Riding east on FM 1960, approaching Fair Lake Lane where I usually turn to the right, but I'm not going that direction today because of the road surface. It's bump, rough. So I'm going straight on FM 1960, past FM 2100, and then take some side streets through Huffman to FM 2100 north. Still riding on FM 1960, headed to FM 2100. Looking at the shoulder, you would not know that this morning it rained almost 2 inches. It's pretty dry, dries off fast. There are some puddles around, but not here. I'm at FM 2100. That's that direction and that direction. Straight ahead is FM 1960. I'll go down probably a quarter of a mile, maybe a half a mile, turn left onto side streets. Turn a left onto Anderson Street. Into the wind. I'll go up to the stop sign and then turn left. That'll take me back to FM 2100. I'll go right on FM 2100 to Smith Road. Go left. Realized they were doing construction on FM 2100. This section. Fortunately, it's not very long. Looks like it ends right here. So we'll go back to where we got a shoulder. Back to FM 1960 on East Lake Houston Parkway. We're going to be turn right. On the west side of Lake Houston. I was doing okay crossing Lake Houston into the strong headwind till about halfway across. I was keeping my speed up to a little over 14 miles an hour. Then the old legs just ran out of power, so I had to gear down one and my speed dropped to 10 or 11 miles an hour. Now I'm waiting on an open spot in traffic, which just happened.